That to start the show and then bring it back. So when I bring back this beat, that's when we're gonna start to turn the camera on and go crazy. Cause that shit fire. Definitely, man. Everybody. Oh, what am I calling? Oh, you said we're ready right now? We're fully active? All right, everybody, you don't know this is your boy Gallus J. You're tuning in to Gallus and the Bodies, and you don't know we always kick off the show with some tunes and shit. We have a special guest in the building today. G-Swiss? G-Sweet? G-Sweet? G-Sweet! Hey, they get an alif. G-Sweet! But a big bad producer from our hometown, Rochester, right now, and the dog, him have some wicked beats in his catalog. Him care if he come show off power today. So we are going to test it out. Right now, and in the chat while you're not active, we don't care when you jump on and know say when you jump on and catch the live wife they jump on things still. Ladies, while you join the chat and the live and just let me know what you think about the beat, cause we're gonna bring it back at the end of the show, during the show, cause it's that fire. That in my opinion the beat's fire. But for everybody else in the chat, we do ask you while you're tuning in, comment, share, subscribe if you like the live. And you don't know it's Sunday. I know y'all not doing shit, so just tune in and drop some comments, some questions. Ask her, get some questions and shit, everybody, anything. We got live questions and questions to do with his career. Just fire him off. Ready, everybody? Yes, the producer, ready? Remember, people, this beat is created by G-Sweet. Watch your style, you know. We're making beat rock out, and then we're going to try to do something crazy with it. All right. Everybody, get your vibes. Every Sunday we here at 2 p.m. Gallus and the Bodies, and today, or this week, is Man of the Month, and our special guest in the building, GC Production Style. Let me know what y'all think about this beat right here, and if you need the beat, you don't know, contact Live Vibes, we get you connected with G Sweet. He said he was on the ground for a minute, now he back. He trying to make the city know him again, right? All right. What y'all tell me right now in the chat? Y'all feeling it? Y'all feeling it? I know it's early right now, but we do ask everybody to share the live. We just started out, but share the live.
That nigga's fucking crazy out here. G Sweet, don't let these niggas know. They a whole lot of gang shit.
Again, go so. What he vibes? Everybody, funny live. What he vibes? A funny live. Everybody, subscribe. All right. Alright, we'll try something on the beat, you know. Producer, we have authorization for remix this real quick. Go on the camera now. You find the button? Alright, watch your style now. If you tuning in right now, we do ask you to share the live. So much things. This is a custom mix brought to you by Gallus J and G. Sweet! Watch your style. Tick tock, rock it, set it. Back shot, somehow you got extra. Forget me not when it's sweet. What you say? Fever, why you punani? Mind see me baby, everything crisp. My good love make you turn. Everybody go so. Ladies, why you punani? Mind see me baby, everything crisp. My good love make you turn and crisp when you. Hey, that was a quick test.
Bro,
No, the
swear
thing,
to
what the
God,
thing.
hands
You're
down,
fucking with it, 'cause
nobody
I
is
like
not
it.
fucking with G Sweet though in beats.
Him said that
And if y'all
himself.
want to get in the stool, nigga, y'all definitely not touching him on the mic. That nigga's fucking crazy out here. G Sweet, don't let these niggas know.
Watch out,
They
watch
have
out.
a lot of gang shit.
Hey, yeah, me no wanna boring fuck.
Our next
Me no
one.
wanna boring wine. Me no wanna boring wine.
Hey, girl.
Move your clothes and fuck on the line, but me no wanna boring
Oh, I'm sorry, it's
grind.
Sunday, we're
me
supposed to
no
be
wanna
keeping it
boring
clean.
wine. Me don't wanna boring
All right,
wine.
watch out.
Baby, you physically fit. Broke me cocky like dry maca stick. Enough girl flap for your feet. Enough of them back down by time me tell them. Anyone if you pedal and wheel on that big fat. And hold on when you the angle. Right on it like a bicycle. Right on it. Don't tell me no one about it, girl. Right on the cocky, on the cocky, on the cocky. Right on the cocky.
All right, people. That was the bad beat by GC. We're not ready for the last tune, you know, because we don't know, say, we have to keep it clean on this Sunday. And we are going with a vibe while the ladies get acquainted. We're waiting for one more of our hosts to pop up. And then we are rolling the ball right now. Ready?
Like your favorite song. Me wouldn't mind if you think about me when you play this one.
What's the style for the Sunday? All right.
All the stars align. Used to have you on my mind. You're here with me right now. Think about you all the time.
Oh.
Now I'm looking in your eyes.
You don't know who's a smooth and deadly every Sunday we're at 2 p.m. until, right?
Till I would never have imagined you and I would be rocking, would be jamming.
Bang, 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 bang.
I would never have imagined you and I would be rocking, would be jamming. I take my heart and seat ya. One for you, reading me never know need a feature. You say we keep singing, I bet your I'm on the feet. You're such a
Watch out,
keeper,
watch
then
out,
you can
watch
put
out.
the speaker, pull it up and repeat. I spy, that you see something I like. Won't you come over?
Like who's up on a Sunday, a smooth and deadly vibes with the punk. Go rock and go in like.
I spy, that you see something you might like. Won't you come over if you really feel it? Ask all your questions, just so we know. But come and see you with your crew, just a woman I go through, and I can tell say you admire the realness.
Oh my God.
Look at me, looking at you, now you don't know what to do, just relax.
Let
and
me tell you why the girl them like Yanis Day.
I'm also conscious of the swift and I'm out corner. You
Alright.
probably think that girl about that make you love the drama, but me kinda like the vibe, so I guess I can come over if you really wanna. I spy that you see something you might like. Won't you come over if you really feel it?
All right, watch it now. You don't know Lila Egg from Manchester, Christiana. Watch it now.
I spy that you see something you might like. Won't you come over if you really feel it?
When she spy upon me, when she spy upon me and tell me, say,
When you speak to me, I hear a song.
bada ba bang
Every
bang.
word you say feels like a poem. I will take you with me everywhere. Listen to you every day. Oh, my sweet inspiration.
Oh, the chat look right now.
Like I can't do what
Everybody share the live. Y'all share. We sharing the live. We sharing the live. We sharing the live. We sharing the live. All right.
myself up out of bed. You come around with so much energy. Fill me with such melodies. Whoa, oh, my sweet motivation. Yeah. When you speak to me, I hear a song. Speak to me, I hear a song. Every word you say feels like a poem. I would take you with me everywhere.
All right.
Listen to you every day. Oh, why
roll.
Yo, G-Sweet. Yo, G-Sweet. Me notice say you're a ganja man, so what me want you do right now with this split?
Roll out the cool as the breeze. Wallet look like a science book, where a school me go teach. Rev the truck up to the mountain top, and as soon as me reach, go get the sun, kick the shoes off my feet, then I bless the cup, 32 sounds me read. Give thanks for the love me receive, me work every day, in the street, and every day end with nights like these. When a holiday, touch on the beach, a white t-shirt and a cut off feet, and we not need no sneakers. Sun grains and massage the feet, blessing the flow like river. Girl drop asleep, she steam the indica, wake her and set. Sun burning up till it red. Welcome to Kingston every day. It's a summer every night, feel like a Friday. Rep the bike till I'm safe. It's on my eye grade, I make the irate. Still we now got red lights and nobody thinks every night a Friday.
Everybody, one already.
General, when I touch her, me, I'm an empress of my brother, then I roll in the strange. Earth me till like an emerald and 1 pound. I several in the chalice, but without no Babylon, see the vapor. Tell her that I'm ready for the energy, we're bringing every style of them.
I say you're tuning into girls and the bodies, and you know this week is man of the month, but same time with the ladies. We now waste no time with the ladies in the
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my yearnings. Fear in my mind is a warning.
We now waste no time,
I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get back.
in the chat, everybody just sing.
My mind it runs, all these thoughts are troubling.
Oi.
To give up my pain, fighting to be
Like ladies.
my mind, running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need, right yet. I really need time now. I need to free my mind. I really need my love. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free my mind now. I really need my now.
I try to live, but I can't.
Like we said, we just a vibe out quick and fast. We got a special guest in the building, it's man of the month. You don't know, the ladies kick me out of my seat and say, somebody has got to sit there today, G. And I'm like, okay. Me don't mind, G-Sweet, what?
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find you, I give you all you needing. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is of the essence. I try to teach you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other.
In the chat right now on the Sunday. If everybody grateful that they woke up this morning and all their limbs working, and after you say your prayer this morning, you just draw your spliff and light your spliff and say,
I'm in a big mood. I feel you. Something like a cool in my body. Tell me I'm in a big mood.
them say we lift up now and day again. We shouting out the beautiful ladies in the chat right now. If you woke up this morning and you're still beautiful, we want to see some fire emoji. And all the gangsters them in the chat, give thanks for life, same way, right?
Oh, I'm in a big mood. Call I feel you. Something like a cool in my body. Tell me what you do. I'm in a big mood. Call I feel you. Something like a cool in my body. Tell me what you do. call it me check. Get some things with the put on my head, I swear. Now you the cool my stress, so yeah. Make we go this up, but some call it me check. Get some things with the put on my head, I swear. Now you the cool my stress, so yeah.
I'm in a big mood, girl, I dey feel you. I know say I love cause passing money, but I still want you. I'm in a big mood, girl, I dey want you. Now only you, if you cool on my back, ain't nobody but you. Yeah. Every night I go dey rock your body. Baby girl, we go dey no solo. Nobody fit tell me to leave my baby. Bend every night if it turn to baby. And you when you wake up, girl, you splashing on me. Yeah, look like sweat all on me. Like
everybody in the chat right now, if you support Jealous and the body's drop a comment right now.
Call I feel you. Something will cool in my body. Tell me what you do. I'm in a big mood. Call I feel you. Something will cool in my body. Tell me what you do. Make me go this up. But some called it me check. Get some things with the put on my head, I swear. Now you the cool my stress, so yeah. Make we go this up, but some called it me check. Get some things with the put on my head, I swear. Now you the cool my stress, so yeah.
Then guidance, all that I'm wishing for my friends. Nobody makes it from my ends. I had to bust up the silence. You know you gotta stick by me.
Shout out to Michelle in the chat.
You see the text rip.
Roman, me see you wait.
Spend time fighting.
King Von.
No time, and that's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me.
Like we saw we had dropped some tune from them head top. Your boy girl is still over here for the ones and trays. Special guest G Sweet in the building. Big Bad Rochester producer. Ladies, on ready for this Sunday. I know I say smooth and deadly for this Sunday on the ladies. But me a teeth a look forward for the ladies. You ready?
Baby, don't mind when you see, come give me that.
Ladies, you ready? Me a teeth a look for one wine for the Sunday. Me know say someone is still a cook right now. I share it to the man dinner. But one wine, please. One wine, please. Hey ladies, una ready? Badang bang bang. You know what me tell you about girl living in the chat?
Baby, don't mind when you see, come give me that. Chop up on my body like animal. Dance make you feel like carnival. I gon' lock you down like criminal. One touch feeling like 1 million. People just they watch you like a cinema. Wine bandit like carnival. Make sure you do nobody else like me. Just the approved and just the approved and just the.
What's the custom mix upon them head top right now?
In the middle of all of these beautiful girls in the world with their dance on the floor. I step on mine and not to bend them. Me, I just want some for the center. Baby, direct, your waistline. No decline, no slow down. Just bring them to me now. Submit now.
Again.
Go jump. No, before yeah with them bungees up.
Watch me and them right there now. Watch you know.
president go the trade. When I say make we jump, we go jump. Ambassador go the trade. And president go the trade. And governor go the trade. When I say make we jump, we go jump. No before here with them on Jesus. Yeah, my country problem it passes us. Because now we be our own problem. Yeah, now who can reason well. Governor go the trade, and governor go the trade, and president go the trade. When I say make we jump, we go jump. Some people go some aside, them party head they go jump on a day. President go the trade, and governor.
Hey girl, let me tell you what one make me flow in your ear like the river Jordan. Understand? You want me but you say you have a man. Then me reply and tell you that is not important. Girl, when I worship the ground she walk on, but she still I want the loving from the Dan Gorgon. Me ask her what's her name, she tell me say Yakama. And she come from Ethiopia, Addis Ababa. If you circle down for me. Too many different type of girl in the party, so one of them just have to come one for me. Circle down for me. Too many different type of girl in the party, so one of them just have to come one for me.
Always there when I call upon her. She know me, I'm a slow lover. Let me give another slow dagger. No, say that's my little mama. Don't come with your little drama. Girl, I'm only picking on ya. I get big, girl, I'm picking you down. Don't take man for picking you now. She get the wickedest wine, I feel secure one. Rude girl, I come get some. I'm giving her the big one. She taking it on. Wild burner, sing this song. Circle down for me. Too many different type of girl in the party, so one of them just have to come one for me. Circle down for me. Too many different type of girl in the party, so one of them just have to come one for me. She said me have a whole partner. I saw me hit it in a slow motion. Make sure no say man a slow down. Every long time man a coming like a soap opera. I saw me take control of. And believe me, when me take her clothes off, I remember wetter than water. Anytime the girl left, I bring out the friend them and knock on my door. I match, I welcome them with open arms. Oh, you look so beautiful. And I saw the girl them half is circle down for me. Too many different type of girl in the party, so one of them just have to come one for me. Circle down for me. Too many different type of girl in the party, so one of them just have to come one for me.
Texting, juggling me all over your phone all night. It's your love, you're juggling me, don't know that you've been on mine. I'm the only one you want it. I can follow where your heart is. All night till the morning. We got about 3 hours, leave your phone alone. He be guessing what goes down when we be all alone.
So we flexing, coming from the western. Tell him stop texting, troubling you and flies on the pesting. Interesting, money off a double car we spending. Stepped in, rolling like the 10 pin.
Check.
Movie high spending, painting name Madison, but I want the brethren. Nah.
I'm powering out, I got to party down. I be the man like Zaga's out.
I said I be the man like Zaga's out.
Everybody, like we said, thanks for tuning in. This your boy Girls J from Girls in the Bodies. You don't know this week is Man of the Month. But before we get the show started, we about to shout out some of our sponsors real quick. Shout out to One Love Window Cleaning. Shout out to DNK Catering. Shout out to New York Stylists right now. And who else we show? Shout out to Live Vibes ENT. And we are going to shout out the special guest again, G Sweet. He's going to sponsor with some bad beat in the near future to forward. But you see right now we are going to juggle the show about to start. Everybody in the building, but you see right now, ladies.
Come in on me please. Me a cut to the chase and go straight to the biz. Kiss up on your neck and me and give you some kiss. We can have a party, baby, we can have a party. Make you blow the candles and then you make your wishes. Know you have the man, but guess what, something must be good. We can work it out as best as possible, you do. We can have a party, anything you want for call it. I want not for call it cheating, news and let the adjective.
Texting, juggling me all over your phone all night. It's your love, you're juggling me, don't know that you've been on mine. I'm the only one you want it. I can follow where your heart is. All night till the morning. We got about 3 hours, leave your phone alone.
Everybody with the upon the vibe, ladies in the chat, watch it.
All alone.
He's been calling your phone. He doesn't know that you're mine. Now I'm calling your home. 'Cause he never gave you no time. I swear alone.
Ladies in the chat.
Why he be on the phone all night?
Would I live inside?
Dedication to the special lady right now.
You tell me last night, so this is the last time. So you want me f*** like you commit a rascal. Put up on the bed, for the edge when you start wine. Mark my words, you are something them can't find. 1 in a million, best pussy of all time. Love it when you dip and give me passion. Pussy give me joy, you know see that you pass blind. Keep it real, but I play with the boss mind. God, it's such a blessing, God. Would I rest of my life? A blessing, God. A blessing, blessing. You're such a blessing, God. Would I fuck you for the rest of my life? You're such a blessing, God. Like you want the leader, girl, you want the queen. No condom, in a need, a girl, you clean. Like me with a breed and take you out of the scheme. Put you up on the hillside, no, I'm up in the green. Then you're in the fence with me. Turn your back way, this alone make you scream. Baby, we just start, so on the roll is a scene. Think about yours, me wake up on your room, now my dream. It's such a blessing, God. For the rest of my life, a blessing, God. A blessing, blessing. It's such a blessing, God. For the rest of my life, it's such a blessing, God. It's all about your love. Like all about your love. Really like for just, feel the vibe for just. Spend my life for you.
We like it.
Fight for us.
Yo, we can't wait for you to tell the people them what go on.
Tender, something to remember. She hunting for a spender. The bird is when they enter, you're pretty like Dolly. Can you please take the center? Me see you through me Gucci lenser. What a skin tender, you look like my Benza.
Ladies, say hi to the camera, say cheese.
I'll caress you, best friend, yeah.
Oh God.
The love in a extend, yeah.
What's on ready right now?
Feel like love for the first time. Me see your girl, me get the right vibe. Right style, cute face with a bright smile. Really like for just, feel the vibe for just. Spend my life for you, I die for us, fight for us. Spend my life for you, really like for just, feel the vibe for just.
I'ma spend my life with you, life for us, life for us. Say, let you know that I got you. Now I don't wanna snooze. I gotta show I choose you. I got flowers in my room, but they were not from you. So I set them on fire. Goddamn miraculous that you're running there before I got all choked out. Here comes my night to shining. I'ma show me a girlie who's a girl. A kiss, no really. I need you a bit to heal me. No visa, I'm feeling. Watch 30 millimeters. No fear in me. When you say we should back up, I don't have anything else I'm doing. Oh baby, you know I'm ready when you say.
Really like for just, feel the vibe for just. Spend my life for you, I die for us, fight for us. Spend my life for you. From the day and the picture, I like the view. You keep me calm, excite me too. You find your waist, the style that you. You love your girl, the vibe that you. Let's fly, my girl, in the sky, the girl. Sky so blue when the eye with you. It's all about your love. Really like for just, feel the vibe for just. Spend my life for you, I die for us, fight for us. Spend my life for you, young king, no pretender. Something to remember. She hunting for a spender.
People, you see that beat we up here right now? And the guests right now producer, what is that? What is that?
Like all about your love. Really like for just, feeling fine for just. Spend my life for you, I die for us, fight for us. Spend my life for you, young king, no pretender.
Oh, the chat look right now. God artist, 19 in the building, what?
and you're pretty like Sally. Can you please take the center? Me see you through me Gucci lensa. What a skin tender, you look like my Benza.
Hands down,
She
nobody
gon'
is not
surrender.
fucking
I
with
gon'
G Sweet
caress
throwing
you.
beats.
Best
And
friend,
if
yeah.
y'all wanna get in the stool,
Love you,
nigga,
not
y'all
extend, yeah.
definitely not touching him
Do me
on the
want, I know where
mic.
them
That nigga's
say.
fucking crazy
Feel
out
like
here.
love for the
G
first
Sweet,
time,
don't let these
first time.
niggas
Me see
steal,
your
man.
girl,
A
me
lot
get the
of
bright
things.
fire. Bright style, cute face with the bright smile.
Yo, 90, you ready for that one, yeah? Custom right now, you know, watch out. Ladies, how y'all doing? You look fully active. We got some people in that chat right now. We have one vibes. We do ask y'all to comment and share the live one last time. Let's get this thing started right now.
Oh, let me hear it.
That 60 like a scoop, chop a jelly free. Go ahead, make a toast, man, in the knees. Yeah, make everything them close, like me ready.
If y'all wanna get in the stool, nigga, y'all definitely not touching him on the mic. That nigga's fucking crazy out here. G Sweet, don't let these niggas steal. They a lot of things.
And that's what I'm talking about. The producer beat, man. Me nah lie. We could have mashed it up all day for one, but let's get to the show. Ladies, take it away. Take it away.
Hi guys, welcome to Gals and the Baddies. Today is third Sunday. It is Man of the Month, and we have Gianni here, or G Sweet.
What up? Thank y'all for having me. Glad to be here.
I'm glad to have you here. Thank you for being here. Yes. This is my friend, my homeboy, my partner, you know. We've been friends for not that long, actually, but
I've known you for a while.
we have known each other for a while, but we just recently got like close. Yeah.
Sometimes it's not about the length that you know somebody, the time and the duration,
Exactly.
the connection you have with people.
Exactly.
Like some people you met last week, you have a better friendship with them than people you've known since your lifetime.
Yeah, exactly.
You know,
For sure.
Exactly. He makes dope music, beats. Y'all hit him up. My boy's coming out of retirement. He's currently in process of rebranding and getting himself back out there. So yeah, y'all better hit him up because he has a lot of good things coming.
Facts. About that time.
Yep, absolutely.
Yeah.
So do you want to tell us a little bit about yourself? Like, how long have you been doing this? What inspired you to do this?
I started kind of like my freshman year in college, I'll say. Just out of boredom. I'm always creating something.
Yeah.
So when I was doing it, I would show my roommate and he would boost me. So I just decided to take it more serious, I guess.
That's awesome.
And he just ran with it.
Where'd you go to college?
Clarkson University.
Okay.
Oh,
nice. All
Not
right.
Clark Atlanta. Clarkson University. That's in Boston.
Oh, okay.
So that's like near Canada.
Okay.
But I went there for a year. Wasn't really feeling it.
Yeah.
So I took a different route.
That's
and
how it
started
goes.
producing.
I wanted to drop out my second week in college, so.
You ended up graduating though?
I did.
Where you go?
I went to Nazareth College, but Nazareth University now.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
That's fine. What you studied?
Management, marketing, communications, and media. Yep.
See, I was.
Look at you now.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Our
right.
content creator.
Exactly.
That's what's up. So you putting that to use.
Trying every day.
Absolutely.
Trying.
Well, I was going for mechanical engineering, and
Okay.
if you know that, that's like a lot. Like,
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You gotta really put
Totally
your
different.
time and
That's
effort
very
into that.
rigorous. Yeah.
And when I was going, I didn't really know if that's what I wanted to do, like fully.
Yeah.
Just because I like had natural talent to do a bunch of other things, then that's kind of what I wanted to pursue.
Yeah.
So with the amount of time I was putting into like my work with school, it kind of felt like I was putting more into my plan B, which was school. Because school is like plan B for me, not plan A. But I'm putting all my time and effort into plan B, so it didn't make sense to me. I'm like, I'll come back to school if I need to.
Yeah.
And I'm going to just pursue music and go about it that way. You know what I'm saying?
Based on that, I want to shout out the true hustlers out there that got school as a plan B. Shout out to y'all. I like that. Right?
Yeah, shout out
Ain't
to
nothing wrong with
y'all.
that.
Because school ain't for everybody.
I
And
just had that conversation
You don't have
the
to
other
have,
day.
you don't have to have a career. You don't have to have a degree to have a career. You can make a career pretty much out of anything.
Yeah,
really, it's
especially
just
nowadays. I
all,
think it's changed
just
a lot.
all what you put your mind to.
And the work you put in, how consistent you are, and
Exactly.
how well you are with socializing, networking, and all
And
that.
how much grace you give yourself
Right.
for it to come to fruition. You know,
Yeah,
you
it
gotta give
takes
it time.
time. It's not an
Sometimes
overnight
it'll
process.
take years.
Yeah.
You know, if not, you know, and if it takes months, then you're lucky. If it takes days, you're lucky. But sometimes, you know, like I'd say give yourself one full solid year doing it. Like no matter what, like even if you're low on income, you're low on inspiration, you're just not feeling it. One solid year I think would do you good. And then from there you can like reevaluate. And then even from there, like give yourself another year.
Right,
Like
right.
even if you're doing it
Right.
like partially.
For
you
me,
know?
I feel like you gotta enjoy the journey.
Yeah.
You gotta make it who you are.
Yeah.
You gotta find something to dedicate your life to and really just enjoy the journey because it's gonna be up and downs your whole career. So
Right.
it's like, you know, find joy in the journey. Set a routine for yourself. Make things enjoyable and you know, like I said, just
Yeah.
have fun with it. Life is short. You never know. So
Absolutely,
give
absolutely.
yourself grace, like you said.
So, who are some of the artists that you have produced music for, or beats? I keep saying music. I mean, you are producing the music, but beats specifically. So, who are some of the big artists that you produced some beats
Not
for?
any really big artists. It's mostly been like local artists, but like
But local, yeah,
still
shout them
trying
out.
So
Shout
we
them
still
out.
trying to get
Yeah.
connected with all of them.
Like,
You know what I mean? One team, one dream.
the ones that I'm known for are people like the Sinatras, you know, R.P.
Okay,
Gumbo,
yeah, okay,
Lil
yeah,
Bebo,
yeah,
Tyrek,
yeah,
people at Tyrek to go. I don't know if y'all know him.
yeah.
I don't know. It's still a few people in the town. Bando Beach. A lot of these people stopped making music, but like as of lately,
Maybe because you stopped making beats.
probably though.
Like-
Probably. I be thinking that sometimes. Like,
Yeah,
damn, maybe it's
yeah,
because I
then
just
you
thought
gotta
from the
get back
scene
out
and-
there.
You know,
You
because
gotta-
it was a point where I was keeping people in the studio. It was
Exactly.
like I would hit them and be like, "Yo, we in the studio today," and
Exactly.
you know that's just motivation for them to stay in the studio. So
Exactly. So,
I feel like that was part of my role in the scene. I was keeping people in the studio
Yeah.
and filled with beats, of course.
Right.
So,
But you're gonna
I'm
get back
getting
to
there.
it.
Yeah, I'm
You
getting
getting
there.
back to
Yeah,
it.
and-
He's getting back to it. We've been working on it. Like I've
facts.
been encouraging him because he been doing some stuff,
Yeah.
but keeping it like
The main
tucked
thing,
away.
the main thing
Like,
I'm focused on is just making music
Yeah.
and getting better with that. Because as long as I got the beats, then the opportunities gonna present themselves.
Yeah. Exactly.
Like if I play you some fire and you can't deny that it's fire, then you know it'll speak for itself.
Yeah,
So, I'm
exactly.
just working on my sound.
Exactly.
Everything else will play itself out.
Exactly. Yep.
Everything will fall into place if you're authentic and genuine about what you're doing.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Do you ladies have any questions?
I actually do. So, let me get out of my notebook. You know. My handy notebook.
While Jenny's getting her questions together, we do ask everybody that's tuning in on the live, get outside the chat and like the actual video for us, please. And thank you quick and fast.
Yes.
Just like the video and still share it if you get a chance to share it. And if
Oh.
you're just tuning in, this is your boy Gallus J, Gallus and the Baddie, special guest in the building, G Sweet.
Yes.
Don't know. Big boy producer from Rochester.
All right. So, what's the weirdest or funniest thing that has happened at the studio while you were, you know, creating beats or, you know, working with someone?
Funniest or weirdest thing?
Y'all ever been up in there like smacked and
Probably that. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it was.
Sorry, I got you, Jenny. Like something weird that inspired y'all to
Yeah.
do something.
Right.
I think the weirdest thing is probably when they do ad-libs. No funny shit.
Yeah,
Like when
especially
they go,
when it's kind of quiet. And it's
yeah,
like,
because they do a lot of yelling and sound effects like that.
Yeah.
But honestly, it really don't be nothing weird that I experienced. Or like during the time where we was really, really in the studio, it was during the time where there was like a lot of pill popping and shit like that. So niggas would be like nodding off and falling asleep during the studio, like shit like that. But like nothing really too weird, I'll say. You know what I'm saying? Usually I be in the studio with like people I know and friends and stuff like that. So it be good vibes.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? It don't be nothing weird really.
Yeah.
I don't be with randoms making music. Usually.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good.
Type shit.
All right. You ever had a female in the studio with you while you was making music?
No.
No.
Really? Wow.
I haven't worked with any female artists yet.
But I
would
mean,
like
just in
to,
general, like
But I never,
somebody you like messing with or no? No.
During my times of really being like producing, my mind don't even be on women.
Yeah. Okay.
Like really though.
I got a question to piggyback off that. Like for like you have artists that inspire you to make certain beats to cater to them, right? So is that the same thing for you when it comes to guy and girls, or you just make the beat and send it out to everybody and whoever? Or you created special?
I'm usually inspired by what I'm listening to at the moment, and then I add my own little twist to it.
Got it.
And then like when I make the beats, I kind of like trying to picture who I hear on it, and then I send it out in that form.
Yeah.
Like I hear him on that, hear him on that.
Yeah.
And
Because
whoever
everybody has their own style.
Yeah, right, and they own sound. Like something I produced for the Sinatras will sound completely different than what I produced for Tyrek.
Right.
Like it was completely different sounds.
Right. Exactly.
But they was unique to their own extent. You know what I'm saying? They all like pertain to what artist I was working with in a sense. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
What's your dream collaboration?
Drake.
Oh,
Drake.
okay.
Like I ain't gotta think about that. Drake. Like I feel like if I was to ever get like a beat to Drake and get Drake on one of my beats, like
that would be.
I'm good.
That's awesome.
I don't got nothing else to prove.
Drake, you heard that?
Not only
We
that,
close to the border, Drake. You still accepted over here. Come on, man.
Nah, no funny shit. Like if you get a Drake like collab, you probably like pay for life, damn near.
We could tag. We could tag Drake. We'll clip this and tag Drake.
Absolutely.
You never know.
You never know.
You never know.
There's actually a producer from here that got a song with Drake.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
The song KMT is produced by Ness, and he's from Rochester.
Wow.
He went to Brighton, didn't he?
Yeah, I think
he
so.
went to Brighton.
Yeah. I collabed with him on the beat.
Oh, wow,
and he invited me over to his house, and we made a couple
That's
beats
crazy.
together and stuff like that.
So that kind of goes back to the question Nigel asked earlier, because that is, I forgot her question, but I know
like,
the question.
who's the
You were
big-
basically like, what's one of the big artists or big,
Is
you know, big.
that's a big artist because he's a multi-platinum producer.
Absolutely.
So like
that was definitely something big.
that was
That's
major for me. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah,
Like,
that's a big accomplishment. Don't ever forget
he
that.
showed a lot of love and it
That's
was
good.
mad genuine. I was nervous as a bitch. I'm like, man, this and that's like he don't even know I'm really a fan. I was definitely a big fan of his before I met him. So it was crazy to
Is
just
he still here?
I'm not too like in tune with what he got going on right now, but I'm pretty sure he is still here.
I never heard of him.
Yeah, isn't it Ness on the Beat?
Ness on the Beat.
Ness on the Beat, and he
was
did
on a lot of A Boogie shit.
Yeah, a lot of A Boogie
He was
stuff.
signed to
Yeah.
Hybrid.
Okay.
He's really cool though. I literally wrote him randomly one day and was just like, "Oh, I see you're from Rochester," because I had no idea.
Yeah.
And he was just like, "Oh, thank you so much. You know, like if I remember back, you know, and I have anything coming up." I'm like, "Oh, okay, great."
Is that that
He's
light
down to
skinned
earth.
dude?
Nah, he not light skinned.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's tall, brown skin.
okay. I was about to say.
I
There's-
can't really describe right now, but I have to show you. I have to give you his Instagram page.
Okay.
Okay.
What's your producer tag?
Is G Sweet Is That You?
Okay.
When I made that, it was because at the time I noticed that all the big time producers had
Yeah.
like a phrase.
Yeah.
Like, if Young Metro don't trust you, I'ma shoot you. And it was like, there was another one, Pierre, do you want to come out? Like, it was all phrases. So I'm like, I need my own phrase that people would know me by.
Yeah.
So
And
when
do
I
you say it or do you have somebody else?
it was a website where you could choose a vocalist.
Oh, okay.
And then they'll add different effects and a bunch of shit. And then they record it, generate it, and send it to you.
Okay.
So at first, I didn't really even like it like that. But, you know, after a couple months,
And when you
It'll
listening
grow
to
on
the
you.
beat
Yeah.
and you hear it, you just be like, yeah. Like, I don't know.
yeah, but nah, I wasn't even really like messing with it like that. But then everybody started calling me G Sweet.
Okay.
Like I couldn't knock it. Everybody started calling me it, so I'm like, no, I can't change it now. It's gonna be that.
Right.
And then eventually it grew on me. I'm like, you know what, I like this tag. You know what I mean? And then now that's what everybody say to me when they see me. Like, G Sweet, is that you? Like, that's the main thing people say when they see me. Like,
gotta have that.
Where did you get G Sweet from though?
I was just trying to be different. Like, I was young as a bitch trying to be like, I don't know, like how that
It sounds
alter
like
ego.
some like Naruto type.
But nah, the G is obviously from my name, but the Sui, it come from that Latin term, sui generis, and that means of its own kind. So I just took the Sui. I just took this. It's really pronounced Sui.
Right.
But when I looked it up, I thought it was Sui.
Yeah.
So I just put the G Sui. Yeah.
It's your own.
Your own.
Exactly.
It's
It has
unique.
many meanings
I like
and
it.
the way you can say it. So that's
Right. It's
very
unique.
unique.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
And it has
It's
a
unique.
meaning behind it. So
Exactly.
that's awesome.
Right.
Exactly.
I was young trying to be deep and shit.
Right. As you should. As you should.
Absolutely.
Look how far it's brought you.
Sometimes I wish I would have went by just Gianni though.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I ain't gonna lie to you.
There's never it's never too late to rebrand.
You're
I was
right.
gonna say,
You're
it's never
right. I
too-
have been out the scene long enough where I can do that because it's like
It's never too, or
Yeah,
alter
I'm
like
not
an
in the
alter
scene.
brand, you know, like
Yes.
part like an extension of the brand.
Exactly.
You know,
yeah, it could be. You're right. I gotta figure it out. But
Yeah.
as of now, I'm gonna just stick with G Sweet
Yeah.
while it's here.
So you local to Rochester?
Yeah.
Yeah. Born and raised. Born and raised. Which
Born and
hospital?
raised. Strong.
Strong. Okay. Strong, baby. Yeah. And where'd you go to high school?
U Prep.
You prep. Oh,
All
nice.
boys school.
Nice.
Yeah, you heard of that?
Yes. Oh gosh, this is gonna sound awful, but I feel like my younger brother went there. But no, my nephew goes there. Sorry, that's what it is. I was gonna say it sounds really familiar. My nephew goes there now.
I was the first class ever in that school. That sound mad old, but like when they first made the school,
Yeah.
I was the
remember
first
when
class.
they first made the
Yeah,
school.
I was the first class there.
Yes.
Awesome.
We was the first class to graduate from like 7th to 12th because they kept adding a grade every
Yeah.
time. Like,
Yep.
you know what I mean?
Exactly. Fire. That's very exciting. I just had something in my head that I was about to say.
What about y'all? Do y'all listen to local music at all?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I do.
I
For
don't,
sure.
I'm not gonna lie.
I do.
See, I didn't until I started making it because I felt like I gotta be in tune if I'm gonna be making music with the local scene.
I guess
you know what I mean?
You know what? A little bit actually. Now that I think about it, because I'm like, there's no like my genre of music is more like soca dance hall. So we don't have many
Right.
dance hall and soca artists here. Not at least not that I know of, but we do have a few. So I guess when I say yes, the few dance hall artists that we do have here, I do listen to. So
I want to be a soca artist.
I like making those type of beats too.
I want to be.
but
I was
like,
just gonna ask
yeah,
you, like,
that's
do
so
you
good.
dabble in like dance hall? Well, I just heard, I just
Yeah,
heard that,
right.
but more so like, I mean, that could be a soca as well.
Right.
I have thought about it for some years now, and I not even randomly, like I want to make a song, like
Well,
I want to
like,
write a
you-
song and make a soca song.
you can
Yeah.
sing,
No, but
that don't matter.
but you can
like
write.
sing J kind of
Yeah.
thing. You know, like I can't write either, but I'm gonna figure it out.
Yeah,
figure
but
it
if you
out.
want to, you figure it out.
I just think it might be cool, like something. Just try
Right.
it, you know.
Right.
I want to put my hand in everything, see what I'm good at. Like, imagine if I make a song and like, you just never know. I could become a
Right.
big artist. You never know.
Absolutely.
Facts.
But as you were saying, so I'm not sure if you remember, because I feel like my first big Rochester song, and you say, did we listen to local people? There's this guy named Adventurous. And that was all of our first
Yeah.
thing.
Oh,
Girl,
yeah.
I know a place where we can be alone.
Yes.
So that was our first
I
local
remember
song.
that.
I don't know
I
that
You
remember.
never want to go home.
Yes.
Can I take
I remember that.
What? At the Carefest beasting on people.
Oh yeah, beasting. I remember that
Beasting.
word.
Woo!
I was so confused when I came here and y'all was talking about that.
Beasting.
I was so lost.
You never heard
Beasting
of
in the
Beasting?
basement
I
parties.
mean, they told me what it was, but
It's just a lot of
Jamaica,
shoulder
you know,
work,
we
no
thought-
hips at all.
Yeah.
But
No
that's what it
one.
was.
Is the
Yeah.
hold on and don't forget the gunshots now.
Yeah.
That's how you know we're really from Rochester.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. Just coming up with
Rochesterians.
stuff.
But yeah, I'm into local artists though. I
Yeah.
definitely, as I'm out like video in the parties now, and people come up and sing their songs and stuff like that, and then I follow them on Instagram, listen to it, and I think it's important. Other than to promote local businesses and clothing brands and stuff, people are artists here as well.
Exactly.
And people make music like you do production, you do beats and stuff. So it's important to
Shout out to my dad,
Yeah,
Diva.
okay. All right.
Oh,
yes.
Shout out to Jenny's dad.
Yes.
Oh,
yeah.
G.
No, my dad.
Oh, no, my bad. I'm sorry, because I'm looking at you. Sorry.
Yeah.
I'm like, my
Yeah.
dad.
Blooper.
Please, I'm so
Run it
sorry.
back. Run it back. Shout out to my dad.
Naisha's
Shout
dad.
out to my dad, D-Will. Yeah. We need to get him on the show
Yes.
because he's a great time. So I'm gonna make sure we get him on the show for a man of the month.
Yes.
Because yeah, he will have some real words of encouragement and knowledge
Words of
for
wisdom.
us. Yes,
For sure.
yes.
That's my guy.
Yep, they work close together.
Okay.
Him and Gianni.
Nice.
Dang. Oh, I was gonna say, y'all know that one thing that you think God had in store for you, but it just didn't like fully transpire. I think I was supposed to be a singer.
Okay.
Like,
Still be a singer.
I'm so serious. Like, I really think that if I was to take like some singing lessons, I really could sing. Like,
So-
for real. Like,
All right, so God speaking through you, what gave you that impression?
because so many people have told me that I could sing,
Oh,
and I
really?
cannot sing.
What did I
Wow.
say
But,
to you
like,
on like the
bro.
first episode?
Bro, so many people.
You said she could sing?
She was like humming, and I was like, "Oh, girl, I didn't know you could sing. You sound good." And she was
I
like, "No,
cannot
I can't sing." And I'm sitting there like, "You lying."
I really think that if I was to take some singing lessons and like really practice for real, I think I could sing. I have such a passion for music. Like,
That's
I
awesome.
love music so much.
Mm-hmm.
Like, to the point where anything, I could be in the worst mood ever and I put on some music and I'd be like, oh, my whole day is better. My whole
Right.
week is better. Like, I go to church on Sundays. I have church in my car before I even get to church.
Okay.
You feel me? Like, just singing and I don't know, I feel like music just puts you like in such a good vibe. Like,
As passionate as you're speaking about it, maybe you should like.
Absolutely.
I've been
You
thinking about
should,
it.
yeah.
I've been thinking about it for a long time. You
This
know,
year's the year of doing things that you thought about. Literally,
Exactly.
any idea, now's the time.
Exactly.
Literally.
And you
And
have
a
a
lot
nice
of-
voice. You do.
a lot of people have told me, like, because I have such a strong voice, like because I have a big mouth. I have a loud, very projective, strong voice, exactly. And people tell me, like, because I have like such a strong voice, they think that I could sing, and I'm like, no, I really can't. But
take them vocal
you know,
classes.
I could make it.
See where
I
it
could make
take
it
you.
sound like something, you know.
What if you
but
go to like a couple classes and you really end up
singing,
improved? Like,
yes,
yeah,
that's
it's
what
just-
I'm saying.
Hochstein.
That's what I'm saying.
Hochstein Music
like,
School.
It's
y'all
possible.
Stay
Yeah.
tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned.
Stay tuned,
Right.
cause
Let me ask y'all this though. Has music ever made y'all cry?
oh yeah,
yeah.
absolutely.
All the time.
And not even because you sad, but because the song is so
Oh
good.
yeah,
Yes, there's this song that is I cannot listen to. This is a Chris Brown song. I don't know the name, but everyone sings it, and I cannot
How
listen
it
to that
goes?
song.
Residuals.
Residuals?
I cannot listen to that song.
Okay,
It gets you
That
emotional?
song makes me cry.
That is an emotional song though. I ain't gonna lie.
I don't.
Before I answer that question,
Yeah.
when I was watching that video, I got chills.
I will
I got
not.
chills,
I
like,
will
swear to
not
God.
listen to that song when it comes on. I'll be like, turn that song off. Like my sisters in the comment, y'all. My sisters, I see y'all in the chat. Y'all know when residuals come on, I be like, I don't like that song. And there's a reason why. There's definitely a reason why. I'm not gonna speak on it, but every
it'd be
time I
like
listen to
that.
that song, I get really sad.
One
I'll
question.
tell you the
Do
reason.
your sisters go
'Cause she
out?
can't go to Dubai.
Your sisters
Oh,
go out to
yeah.
parties and stuff?
My sister was at Cranium yesterday.
I met your sisters last night.
You did?
Yes. But I wasn't sure. But you're
How
the
did
only
you
Jenny I know right
know?
now because they said.
Oh.
But I wasn't sure if she was pointing to the girl with her and her name was Jenny.
Oh,
Because I know
okay.
a lot of people from the shop. So I'm just like, but I feel like they're talking about Jenny.
Were you backstage?
No, it was at Sky Lounge.
Okay, so it probably was my sister. She
I
had
think-
like a blue skirt on.
I think so. I
I have a lot of sisters though, so I have a
Were there
lot
two
of
of them
siblings.
I think like there was
I
two
don't
of
know
them.
what they was doing.
Okay. I feel like it was Jenny's sisters last
But
night.
it could have been. Nikki, was that you? It probably was her. She goes to Skyline.
It's
She
like,
was
hi,
backstage
like I'm
with
Jenny's
Cranium.
sister. Like I'm Jenny's sister. We're Jenny's sister. I couldn't remember.
Really?
Yeah. So
Probably.
They be tuned in every week,
Yeah,
so
they
they
do.
know. They know who you
my
are,
sisters.
Karen. Yeah.
I appreciate you guys because they
shout out to
literally-
Jenny's sister. Even if it wasn't Jenny's sister, and you're talking about the girl with you, shout out to that Jenny as well.
Yeah, exactly.
Even though I just called Niger Jenny.
So y'all been
Sorry.
doing this? Y'all been doing this weekly? Like
Yeah.
for how
Yeah.
long now?
How long have we
a
been
few
doing it?
months.
A few months.
No,
This is
a month
third
and some
month.
change.
Since January.
This is-
Yeah.
January.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's consistent.
Yeah, we've missed
It's the 11th
the.
show, right? 11th show?
It's the 8th show technically
the-
because remember we missed a couple.
Yeah,
weeks.
we did.
For
We
the
missed
snow,
a
we
couple.
took a snow day and we took a family day.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
the snow day.
Yeah, weather
Snow
was
day.
bad, but it's getting
Oh, yeah.
it's getting hot outside.
It's getting warm.
It's
getting warm.
coming. I'm
It's
looking
coming.
for it. Listen, I'm a July baby.
warm right now.
Okay, I'm looking for it. This is hot. This right today, like it's 70 degrees. This is hot to me. Okay, I'm comfortable. I was riding with my windows down, sunroof back. Like I'm looking forward to the heat. Like I'm too light skinned. I need some sun. I need a tan, but
You're gonna disappear soon.
yeah,
I don't like the heat.
huh?
I don't like the heat.
I love the heat.
I love the heat.
I love the
love
heat.
it.
I
I
love
love when I feel it on my skin. And I can
like,
feel
bro.
it literally like
Cooking.
I can just feel it cooking me.
Las Vegas in August.
I'll be moody.
That's probably
like,
the
nah,
best
it's too
tan.
hot.
No, I'm lying. I was in DR in May. That was the best tan I ever got in my life, bro. Just laying. Burnt, came back burnt. I had a wig on. I came back with a wig line
my
across my
God.
forehead because, baby, you got to take advantage of the sun.
Yeah.
We don't get enough here.
Right.
We don't get enough here. I literally have to drench because I don't tan.
Yeah, I have to
It
really
takes a lot
overdo it
for
in the
me.
summer.
Yeah, it takes a lot for me to tan. But baby, when I do tan,
You
yeah,
tan?
I
But
be
you get
burnt.
like you get like me.
I be burnt. Maybe not that.
I can.
Maybe
I get dark
not.
when
I
I
don't
tan.
get that.
I get dark.
I
I
get
get
dark
like
when
a bronze.
Yeah,
I went to
yeah.
Jamaica,
I get like a
then went to
bronze.
Bahamas, then went to. For some reason, the sun in California is something I never thought I'd have a problem with, but that shit burnt me up.
Yeah.
For,
And after I came back from those 3 back to back, yeah, it was a nice little.
you be using
it was
sunscreen
tan.
though?
I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
I learned my lesson.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
use sunscreen.
I learned my
I
lesson.
get burnt through the sunscreen. Don't
Really?
even matter.
I learned my
Yes.
lesson.
Wow.
Yes,
Best
that's to
one's
put
the
on.
Neutrogena.
Okay.
The Neutrogena
I think
one
I've
and the
used
yellow
Neutrogena
can,
before.
That's the best one to use.
Y'all know
It's
what
like
the
yellow and
SPF
blue?
stand for? Like, what is
Yeah,
the
I
letter?
yeah,
found
amount.
out the other day it's not like if it's 70 because I think I use a 71. It's something. So
Which one
I'm
are you
gonna say-
supposed to use for what? Like,
Yeah, I don't know.
I use sunscreen all year round.
Yeah, you're supposed
Yeah,
to.
I
Do I?
it
No,
all year
I don't
round.
On my face, I use it all year round.
But am I the only one that doesn't do that?
What sunscreen?
on your
I use
face
it all
every
year
day,
round.
right?
Is
Yeah, I
sunscreen
don't
good
know.
for you?
Supposed to. It's
But
supposed
think
to
about it. Is sun?
fingers.
Is the sun's good for you? No.
Yes.
So you, yes, to a certain extent. First
In-
of all, everything can be
in
overdone.
moderation.
Exactly.
Yes, everything can be overdone. You know how people be like, "Oh, that's
it's burning
unhealthy
me
for
up.
you. Oh, that's not good for you." Like vegetarians, "Oh, meat is not good for you." Da 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 da. Everything should be done in moderation. You can eat too much nuts and vegetables, and it makes it's bad for you.
Right.
You feel me?
You could drink too much water.
You could drink
Exactly,
too much
yeah.
water.
I never know
There
that till
is such
recent years.
there is a such thing as being overhydrated.
You
That
can drown
is a
yourselves.
that exactly that is a
That's
thing.
crazy.
Like extra water weight. You know.
Somebody in chat
Exactly.
said use aloe vera.
Aloe, yes,
Okay.
but aloe
Yeah.
doesn't protect your skin from the sun, though. Aloe soothes the skin. It doesn't protect your.
Moisturize.
The SPF is the amount of protection. I forgot exactly what it stands for. Some protective. No, that's not what it stands for. But I don't remember. But the higher.
Sounded good.
That was
Yeah,
good.
it
That was
did.
good. That was good enough.
It might be though. Now I gotta look it up. Now I gotta look it up.
Protective.
I had a really bad suntan 2 years ago that scared the hell out of me. I thought my face was going to be ruined for the rest of my life.
Oh, it does.
Ah.
But I also did something absolutely wild with my suntan. So I had to go somewhere and I got like that leathery skin on my
my
forehead, you know, when you
God.
get a really bad tan. So I'm like, okay, let me go ahead and use the African net sponge to scrape it off my face.
No, that was the
No,
worst
no.
mistake you made in your life.
Oh my god. Everything was patchy. I was burning. I could only go out at night. The trip was ruined. And I started crying. I'm just like, I think I just ruined my skin for the rest of my life. Like, I looked so crazy.
Yo.
And people were just staring at me out in public. And I'm just like, I feel like I ruined my life at that time. But as you can, it's fine
It
now.
helped.
But don't do that. Don't do that. I actually posted it on my Instagram, and I got a lot of crazy comments as I knew I would. But
so I was almost right, y'all. SPF means sun protection factor. So like I was
Okay.
saying, is that the number stands for like basically the amount of time that you can stay in the sun. How long the sun exposure will last with that protective barrier on it.
I need to get better at reapplying. I'm not really.
Yes, you have to. You are supposed to reapply sunscreen, and people don't do that, and that's how they be getting burnt. So, say a sunscreen with SPF 30, for example, theoretically allows you to stay in the sun 30 times longer before you start to burn. So whether it'll say on the bottle like reapply after 2 hours, reapply after 3 hours. Like you really just have to read.
That's OD.
A SPF of 50, it blocks about 98% of the UV. So like I said, the higher you go, the better the sunscreen theoretically works. There's a black girl sunscreen. I heard that works very good.
That's exactly what
I use something called Mederma. That's just my personal preference. It's a scar gel.
Okay.
Cream formula that I put on my face, but it also has SPF 30 in it.
Oh, nice.
Sunscreen, because it's not really hot like outside right now, so I just use that every day as just a light protector, where it's also lightening my dark spots and protecting me from the sun.
Right.
Because when you're using lightening formulas on your face, you have to use sunscreen or it will discolor your skin. I don't know if you guys knew that. So any type of retinoid, any type of dark brightening serum,
glycolic acid also.
Yeah, all of that. All of that. But anyways, guys, we're getting a little off topic here.
Skincare.
It's important.
Yeah.
It's important.
Yeah, it is. Skincare is definitely important. I have come a very long way. There's a lot of things that I have changed because my skin was like flawless a few years ago, and then it just went whoop.
That's how I feel now.
Coming back around.
I'm coming into
so
adult acne at this very moment, and it's scaring me. Like, oh my god.
Girl, your skin looks good.
Right.
I don't see not a pimple or a bump on your face.
My skin used to be really bad.
Yeah.
I wonder if you guys can post it. I don't even mind. I would let everyone see my skin.
It was before and after.
What you do?
Yeah,
like how you got better.
I went through a breakup.
Okay.
That's number one.
And that's how it got better?
I just started. No.
You didn't answer the question.
I went through a breakup and I just started caring more about myself. And I was like, I'm going to fix my skin because whatever. So, I fixed my skin and my skin looks amazing. Like I used to have a really bad dark marks right here, and now I use La Roche-Posay as a cleanser.
Ooh, they said that one's
sensitive
good.
skin.
I didn't like it.
Awesome.
Hated it
because I have really. I used to use Cetaphil, but it did nothing for me.
I hate Cetaphil.
Nothing.
That's all I hear about is Cetaphil.
Yeah,
for some reason when I look up.
It does nothing
I
for
use
me.
CeraVe.
So
CeraVe, not CeraVe.
I need to see the bubbles.
I hope this doesn't mess up any.
The foam in action.
I need to see the bubbles.
Oh
I need to see the bubbles and the foam and the as I'm washing for real. Cetaphil and CeraVe, I feel like you don't do that unless I was using the wrong one. I use Korean skincare. I'm sure everybody has heard about that recently. Facials. I started getting facials too. That is so important. I was in Missouri and I got the best facial of my life.
That's awesome.
Okay? The best facial of my life. When it comes to blackheads and bro, she was telling me so much stuff. She was Russian, first of all. Them Russian people do not play about their face, they lips, they eyebrows, that Botox, filler up. They do not play. So she was telling me all of this stuff about the dark mark serum, and she was telling me how I could get my retinoids for a cheaper price, and it was just good. So I started. There's this lady here that does Korean based facials as well. I get my first one on the 27th. I'm
going for a Korean.
Nice.
For what?
I'm going for one as well.
Really?
For a Korean one, yeah.
Is she Korean?
No, she's not. You're going to okay.
Yeah.
We're not going to the same shop.
I heard Korean skincare is really good, so that's awesome.
Yeah,
but I'm going for a Korean facial.
This is her Skin Von.
Oh, okay.
Oh, nice.
Yep.
Shout out to Skin Vine.
She is like worldwide. You guys can't see, but
Is she based here though?
She is based here. She also works in I think Pennsylvania. She like takes clients. She be booked and busy. So
I think I need one myself.
yeah. This is gonna be my first one getting one here. I'm really excited, but like drastic results off of like one time.
awesome.
Like
Yeah.
she does her big one, so I'm really excited. I will
Whoa.
definitely give you guys a follow up after. I believe mine is scheduled for the 27th. My lady that does my lymphatic massages put me on to her because I'm like, bro, I got this facial in Missouri, and I cannot find anybody here that does like facials that
Like
good, that
yeah.
in depth. You know,
Yeah.
I don't know. People here, they don't be into stuff like that. But baby, I want to be able to walk outside with my skin clear without makeup and stuff like that.
That's
like
my goal in the summer.
yeah,
Does
as
it
a
ever really have
child, I
makeup, but-
struggled with my natural beauty and stuff like that. I felt like I always needed to wear makeup, and now that I've gotten older, I know I'm that girl for real, and I'm cute without the makeup. So I need my skin to be clear.
Right.
You know, I don't want to be coming outside bumps and dark marks and stuff like that. So yes.
Makeup not even good for your skin either though, to be having that on your face all
to an
day.
extent. To an extent.
Too much.
To an extent.
Like you said, moderation though. Like you said, moderation.
If you're wearing it all day, every day, it do
Yeah,
something.
all day, every day, absolutely. Yeah. But to put on a little here and there, because
Nah,
I
ain't-
do
that
like
ain't-
to beat my
right.
face here and there, you know.
Me too.
Yeah.
Definitely. I'm definitely real big on the makeup. I
Ain't
ain't
nothing
gonna
wrong
lie.
with that.
Yeah.
But like when it's a daily thing, like I feel like that do like negatively affect your skin.
No, you're right.
In the
You're
long run.
absolutely right. Too
Yeah.
much because there's some people who literally beat their face every day.
Every
Just like,
day. Like, that's part of their daily routine. In the morning, they do their makeup and go about their day.
Exactly.
Take it off at night.
Nurses at work, like, babe, do you not know that you're stepping into all of these germs? But you know, people feel like I've met some nurses who are like, bro, I didn't put my makeup on today and I feel like trash.
No
I
way.
look so bad. I'm like, girl, because you don't got no eyebrows on? Like,
Right.
you know, you don't have no lashes on? Like, you good. You at work, first of all. I'm not saying that you shouldn't look good at work because you need to look good wherever you go, and that's just how I
When
feel
you look good, you feel
respectively.
good,
Yeah.
you know, I definitely believe in that.
Yes, 100%.
But I've also been caught out in public in my hope I know nobody sees me kind of look.
Yeah, exactly.
Right. Too many times. Too many
but
times to count.
it's been so many times that I've done that, and people still be like, "Hey, yo, man, can I get your number?" Like, bro,
They
you
like that.
serious right now?
It'd be like
Like,
that.
I got on a bonnet and some sweatpants, and I'm pumping gas right now. Is you gonna pump my gas? Like,
Not
you
the
know?
bonnet. Pumping.
Like, I'm just saying, like, I just ran up to the store real quick, you know,
Right.
grab some chips or something, you know, to the corner store. Yeah.
No, you know niggas, man, they ain't gonna hold back. They
No,
don't care
for
what you
real.
got on.
They gonna try him.
Yeah, right.
Regardless.
Bonnet
They
or
don't-
not.
But I got a question for you, G.
What's up?
Yeah.
So earlier, one of the first questions they asked is what your talent was in. You said producing, but you said that was one of many because you spoke on mechanical engineering.
Mm-hmm.
So you can let us know where that started from, or how.
Yeah, your
that's
passion.
that was your backup plan. You said, right?
Mm-hmm.
School in general, not
general.
mechanical engineering. Just because I was like smart in school, like I got straight A's and stuff like that. So I always thought like, you know how like our generation was raised. It was kind of like to go to school, go to college, get a
Just
degree.
spoke about this the other day.
You
yes,
know what I'm saying?
absolutely.
And that was like the
Mhm.
path to success.
Yeah,
So I thought,
especially when if your parents didn't finish school as
right.
well.
So
Right.
I thought that was my way
Mhm.
as well.
It was the
but
done thing. for
Right,
me. Yeah, it was the
right.
done thing.
Like,
Like it doesn't matter what you college. Maybe you can figure something out after, but you're gonna have to graduate from high school and go to college
Right.
because they just thought that was the thing to do. Like I don't regret my college experience. I definitely think it helped me in more ways than just educationally. Like I was able to grow as a person, my personality, everything. Be able to speak in front of people and just mingle with people and be able to be like
Right.
that. But I wish I knew more about scholarships before I applied for school.
Right.
Like as an 18-year-old, just turned 18, like going to I'm in college now, and I've just like signed my life away to all these loans and all these things. I'm just like, I don't know if that's fair. Like I was still a child, like
Right.
like,
Right.
but I'm technically an adult. So
For sure.
but I didn't know too much about it. So so outside of you know, the music and stuff like that, I know Jermaine said you know, your my voice sounds crazy. Oh my god. You ever hear your voice back sometimes you're like, who is that? Who is that?
I'm trying to tune into the chat.
Oh, to the chat. And so what if you weren't doing this, what would be like another path that you would be interested in?
It depends. It really depends. Cause growing up, I danced.
Yeah. Okay.
You know what I mean? Like that's what I was
Alright.
really known for
Yeah.
in the city.
Yeah.
Like I opened up for like people like Ray Shrimmer when they were big here,
Okay.
Migos, Lil Uzi, like when they,
Wow, Ray Shrimmer.
Yes.
That's
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah.
facts when like No Flex On was
Yeah,
popping,
yeah.
all that.
That was big.
But yeah, so
I remember
I always
those
thought I would be
days.
something like around those lines.
Yeah. Okay.
But when I went to college, like I said, I started dedicating more time to like my work and stuff, and I kind of shied away from dancing. And it wasn't until, like I said, I picked up my laptop and got into making beats where I was like, bro, what am I doing? And it's like, even the people I was in school with, they were like, why did you come here? Like, bro, you got mad talent.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like, if anything, you could always come back, shit
Yeah.
like that. So I was like depressed because I knew like this isn't what I was meant to do or what I want to do in the long run. So yeah, I don't know.
So in the future, what should we be looking for from you? Like,
I know like producing is for me, so it's gonna be something along those lines. I just don't know in what way, like, cause at first I was gonna take the content creating route, which is like making content based off me making beats and stuff like that. But I kind of want to be more into really just like making good music and releasing it.
Well, if you need help with the content part,
yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
here.
of course,
I was gonna say,
of course.
I'd love to.
I'll take all the help I could get. You know what
so
I mean?
behind the scenes of making a beat, or we can make a beat together and do like a, thing. I'm sure that'd be like a. People would probably like that.
Right, right.
Yeah.
But I find myself in that sense, like I was burning myself out because I was taking that route. But it's a lot when you wanna. I don't know. It was just a lot for me to do that and keep myself in the studio and go to work.
Yeah.
And this, that, and the third. Like it takes a lot of time to create content itself.
It does.
Like
I heard
it's
this
very time
funny
consuming.
thing the other day. This girl posted this video and it's just like, my friends haven't heard back from me for 2 weeks. Like, guys, I'm understaffed. Like it's only
Right.
me in this body.
Right.
It's only me. I can't, I can't do it all.
And sis be booked and busy.
Yeah, I told her.
I promise
She
to
is-
God, every
yeah.
event that I decide to step out at, Siarni's there. Getting the
booked and
contact
busy.
with her, getting her the content with her, like.
Absolutely, she is.
I just say hi to the camera. Here's the mic.
Right.
Say something. You want to say something? Like,
Yes.
my sis is booked and busy. Okay.
Yeah.
So shout out to Siarni because baby, she gonna get every clip.
She gonna be there, okay?
She gonna get every clip of the event.
Oh yeah,
You
she was
know?
on that when I was out. When I was outside, she was on that.
You see her though, like, yeah, get in there, and her content comes out amazing.
Thank you.
It's very
I gotta tune
nice.
in. I haven't seen none of your content.
Yeah, we
honestly.
have to follow
Well,
each
you
other.
it's just because you don't know it's her content.
Or
For real,
probably
I
that.
feel
Yeah.
like
Some of it's raw content as well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
Some of it's.
After this,
Yeah.
I'll tune in though. We'll
Yeah.
get
A
into
lot
it.
of the stuff I actually take is not stuff that's posted on my own page.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's
Yeah.
either I give it to them, they make something, or I make something, give it to them, and it gets posted.
Yeah.
Right.
Or even for just outside of party stuff, like
Yeah.
I've done like food delivery services, teeth whitening stuff, dental stuff, all kind of stuff. So
That's fire.
I need to make another page that's for like the stuff outside of the stuff I do as well, like some of the other stuff, because sometimes it's in the contract, like they don't want me to post it.
Yeah.
Like they only want it on their stuff. So
Yeah.
Mhm.
It'd be
Right.
like
Yeah,
that.
yesterday was absolutely busy. I went to the St. Patrick's Day parade for the first time. I've never been. I
was
don't know
lit.
what I've been doing every year on St.
was
Patrick's
it?
Day. Oh, it was lit.
Yeah.
What?
Always.
It was lit. So I covered
I saw
Jolie.
that.
Yeah, I covered Jolie
I
down on
shoulda
East
got
Ave.
up
It was
and
so
went.
fun. It was packed.
Actually, I was doing
Like
was
there was so
packed.
many. Everybody
Yeah.
was drunk, having a good time, and I was just like, "Oh, this is lit! Like this is fun." What else? And then I went to the concert at. Is that right?
It is.
Water
Oh,
Street.
at Water Street. Yes.
Oh.
Selassie.
All
I hope
right.
everybody's windows are up. It's raining.
I hope so. Nobody had the drop top today. And then I went to Rocky B's birthday party with Collective Society.
Yes,
so
happy
that
birthday,
was more
Rocky.
so. Yeah, happy birthday to Rocky B. She's great. Oh, I also went to the radio station.
Okay.
Went to the radio station as well before that. Then went to Rocky B's birthday party and did like behind the
That
scenes
was
stuff
loud.
That was loud.
That was.
there. And then I went to Sky Lounge. And then I tried to do something for myself after and go to the afters, but I couldn't. It couldn't work. It didn't
They
work.
was lit all night.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Yesterday was definitely. If you started from the morning all the way until
That's crazy.
you would have been. And I did it. I did it yesterday.
I'm pretty sure there's people that did that too. Like we're just out all day till the night.
Yeah,
You know?
absolutely.
But yesterday I made. Well, from Friday to yesterday. Well, what is it? Sunday. So Friday and Saturday. I'm talking about Friday and Saturday. I made money that like a goal that I was just like, if I'm doing this and I'm doing it seriously, like this would be the goal that I want to make every week, and I reached it.
As you should. Yes.
That was great. Great.
You just out there with your camera?
Yes, and I need to get a gimbal because why am I holding my phone with my hand?
Yeah.
Why am I holding my phone with my hand, killing myself with? I'm just like my arm is killing me. My back is killing. And then I set it to. I set it to
Oh,
rumble.
the winter is getting crazy.
Wow. All right, so we can sleep over or? Literally, we can't go.
You wanna know what's crazy? Earlier, I was in my car smoking, and the wind was blowing. I heard a boom,
Really?
a loud boom.
What was it?
A tree fell on top of a house.
Oh my god.
I'm not gonna lie.
Across the street from me.
If you could see what we're seeing right now, it actually is like a movie.
Literally
is crazy.
It literally look this way though. It looks like a freaking
That's
tornado.
scary.
Like we're literally what is it?
hurricane.
In the
Dorothy?
middle,
You know, when they
in the
have
middle,
like the storm in what is it? The Dorothy movie and stuff like that.
Yeah.
This is what it looks. I don't know what's going on.
The Wicked Witch of the
West.
All right. Well, you know.
It's crazy.
I got one more question for you, bro.
Yes.
As far as being a producer, are you one of those producers that know how to play all the instruments?
I don't.
Or you can
But
on the computer?
I play by ear, and I switch whatever instrument I'm using to whatever I want it to be.
Oh, I got you.
By using plugins and stuff like that. But I play like the keys, the keyboard and stuff like that.
Oh, keyboard. All right.
Yeah. But now I can't sit there and go crazy, but
Yeah.
like I can sit there and create melodies to make beats and stuff.
good.
You know.
Okay,
That's
good.
nice.
Right.
So have you ever made a song yourself as well? Like
I have.
have you? Yeah. Okay.
Just because you hear beats all day.
Yeah.
Sometimes you get tired of making them. You need another creative outlet.
Okay,
I've been in
well, I'll have to
studios with
listen to that.
people. No, I
No,
ain't dropping
okay.
no music. That's just for fun. I would
Okay.
never drop as an artist, but it's fun. You know what I'm saying?
You
just,
never know.
just to hear yourself on the mic.
Yeah.
He gives me what is I don't know his son's name, but you give me his vibe. T.I.'s son. He's a rapper.
Oh nah, T.I. son.
Yeah, but no, the other one. No. The older one. There's an older son who makes really good music. It's T.I.'s son, not the one with the
that's not his
not the
son.
one.
Not the
There's
white
so
one.
many.
No, not him. The other
Oh, you
one.
thought that T.I. son?
Yeah, I
the,
thought she was talking
I
about
knew
her.
I knew who she
No.
meant. The
You know,
older
okay,
one.
I'm
Yeah,
gonna
the older
find
one.
him. Hold on.
I didn't
Yeah,
even
the
know you
one
had
that-
an older
the
son.
short hair.
What's the younger one's name?
No,
I don't
he
even
has
know.
The one
lots.
with the curly hair.
Yeah, but
I can't
that's the one I
remember
was
his name
thinking of.
Oh, he has. Okay, I got them mixed up. I thought the younger one had locks.
now. Oh, you're talking.
Okay, so
Oh. He has so many sons. I'm thinking of
I
a
think
different
it's
son
when-
now as well.
oh no, it's not
I
him.
only know that
Messiah?
one song.
No, I think it might be.
What did the child say?
him.
Damien.
I definitely feel like you have the presence of like an artist. You know what I mean? Like I can feel it. Like I feel like we're sitting here like interviewing like an artist right now. Like literally.
Well,
like,
thank you.
You could
Thank
be.
you.
You never know. You should put it out there.
Well, it's probably the same as a producer, though. It's probably just the vibe of a producer.
More so
Oh,
that like an artist,
Damani.
like
Damani.
the whole
Damani
scope of it.
Harris.
Yeah,
like,
for sure.
Yes.
You know, producer.
Oh,
artist,
that
yeah.
one.
Yeah.
Yes,
Oh,
not.
okay.
Oh,
That's
Lord.
what I was. That's what I was thinking about. But I
It's
thought he.
Damani.
I was picturing him without the hair.
Yeah.
Without
well,
the
he
hair.
is one of the younger ones, but he's not the youngest.
The young-
he's
yeah,
not
the
the
young one.
Yeah.
the one with the
And that one's not even the youngest one. There's
Yeah.
the little one.
Yeah, that's the one that's bad.
Yeah.
He just had a baby
with
and
the
stuff.
lip fillers.
Yeah.
Lip fillers?
He has lip fillers. Yes, he
Nah.
does. He does. That's why his lips. He literally got lip injections.
Oh my
That's why his lips
god.
look like that.
I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
But you give Damani hair. It's
So you
Oh
gonna tell the
God,
man
she
say,
done forgot again.
what kind of-
forgot
Jenny,
again.
or you gonna tell the man say
Damani Harris.
he use lip fillers and say you give him.
No, it's not him though. It's not. It's
Oh
not.
yeah, it's not.
Somebody else
It's
she's
the
speaking
other
about.
one.
Yeah, she's speaking about.
And he
somebody else.
and he makes really good music.
I think I've heard his songs before.
He makes really good music,
And
and,
I think
it's
I liked
more
it.
like to me. It gives a neo soul vibe.
Soulful.
Yeah, like a
Yeah, facts. Yeah, he's dope though.
he
Like
is
that.
definitely dope.
Right.
So what things do you have coming up?
Well, really, the one thing that I was focused on right now is, the town they're trying to shed more light on the artists as of lately with like the song wars and stuff like that. So what me and like Hotbox, what we was about to do was host like ciphers, where basically we have like artists come and make all the beats, and it's like them rapping on it. But it's gonna be like a series of like different artists at a time, and they get to snap on the beats
That'd be
I
nice.
produce for them. It's gonna be well produced and look visually fire and stuff like that.
Something like they do on the BET Awards.
Yeah.
Like
Something
that's what I imagine when he told me this idea.
Yeah.
That's what I imagine, like down in the like by the railroad tracks or something.
Yeah, right. It's gonna be a
like-
nice scene. Like we gonna figure it out.
I went
but
up to the skate park the other day for the first time. Over there is like very
Vibey,
yes.
right?
Yeah, like
Yes.
a little sketchy too, but
Yeah.
a little sketchy.
But I feel like ciphers are like give that sketchy like
yeah.
you know
Yeah.
you want it to be like graffiti on the walls
Maybe
and
you could take
like,
a car
Shit.
down to the underground, the subway station
Mhm.
that we had, and like have people set up with like the mic and stuff like that. That'd be
Yeah.
cool.
But we might put our own twist on it and
Yeah.
recreate the whole idea of
Yeah.
like a cipher, just because we in 2025 now.
Yeah.
So
Right.
it might be
Gotta
not
come
even
with
be
something.
none of that.
Yeah.
It might be something completely unique and just different and
Yeah.
just watch y'all see though.
Y'all working
It'll
on
be-
it. Y'all working on it.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
It's fine.
Look forward to that.
Me and Bucky was talking about, we was watching some battle rap stuff last night, and we was having the same thing, like we need to create like one of our episodes catered to all the hip hop artists.
I was just gonna say maybe we should have like a spotlight, like a music
Yeah,
spotlight,
we,
like
yeah,
um,
yeah. What it,
this might be
we-
the start of it.
reach
you know?
out. We gonna talk. So
Right.
we can
Yeah.
talk to your people so we can make something happen. You know what I mean? Because
Yeah.
we trying to go into the summer and make sure everybody that has a talent get on any and every platform that they can to show it off. Type of, you know what I mean?
Yeah, right.
I'm on that. In the future, everybody should just wake up and make money from their computers, and then we go outside and have fun together. You know what I mean?
For
Instead of
sure.
killing ourselves at work and shit. So I'm big on promoting people on their talent, even if you're just starting out.
Right.
You know,
Right.
it's just people like seeing growth too. So if you're serious about
Facts.
your journey and you just don't care, you know, this is what you want to do, and you want to take a first step, you could start with us, Live Vibes TV. We're here to support any and everybody that's doing something positive in their life or for their life or for others.
That's what's up. Yes, sir.
Type of vibe. So
This video I took of him.
So we got a question. Somebody said, "What producers do you look up to or recognize with, like Metro Boomin, Ye, DJ Mustard,
Well,
etc.?"
definitely starting off, it was like Metro Boomin, but like to get more in depth, I like people like, I don't know if you ever heard of Wheezy. His name, like his tag is like Wheezy out of here.
Okay.
And
Yes.
I was big on Pierre Bourne when he first like started off. People like Nav, he's an artist, but a lot of people don't know he create
yes.
he produces music like that. Music, and I don't know. It's a lot of people just because there's so many like producers now. But those are like the main ones. I'll say Pierre, Nav, and what I just say, Wheezy.
Wheezy. Yes.
Wheezy. Yeah.
I got mad what's my sample ideas for you, like ad-libs.
Okay.
Mad tags for you, bro.
Yeah.
I'm good at that shit.
For sure. I'll take any idea.
Any beat you got, I
What?
got you.
Say no more. Yeah.
So
Well, oh, go ahead.
questions?
No.
All right, go ahead. Take it away.
I was just gonna say, well, me, Ciarni, and Jenny just want to thank you for coming here.
Thank y'all for having me. This was fun.
And we appreciate your knowledge, sharing it with us, and we wish you the best with
Thank you.
everything. You know, #1 supporter. I wish you the best. I'm here.
I appreciate
He be
you.
sending me all the beats, and I be listening. Yes,
She's
yes.
so motivational.
Yes. I try to give him the best advice because I know that he can do great, and I want to see him do great. He's so talented.
I can feel it.
Yeah, he's so
Appreciate it.
talented. Like he's
it's here.
Yeah,
It's here.
Yeah.
It's here, literally.
Yeah, I mean, he
appreciate
was
it.
doing his big one. He was doing his big one. He went through some things, and now he about to put that back into his music and get back out there.
For sure.
Yes,
Thank y'all
exactly.
so much.
Yes.
was
So,
great.
shout out to G Sweet. Thank you. Thank you everybody for tuning in. This is Gallus and the Baddies. Make sure you like, subscribe, tune in. We're here every Sunday. Next Sunday we're doing Wine and Dine.
Unwind with wine.
Unwind with the wine. Yes.
Also, I want to say something funny before we end.
Go ahead.
As you can see, everybody here is dressed up. And I'm not dressed up, right? Because I thought today was Pajama Sunday.
Wow.
I was a little confused, and I'll get it together next week. So sorry.
Okay.
People.
So
these are my pajamas,
Her-
guys.
her-
This looks random. These are literally my pajamas.
Her alibi is.
And I'm surprised nobody said anything yet.
No, I was just gonna let the show because I didn't want, you know what I mean. But people are excuses, as you see how she tell you how her day and her week goes.
She
She's
literally-
always out there working. So
Yes.
if she miss a day, I'm surprised she don't miss a whole month sometimes. How jam-packed she be with dates, but
Shout out to Studio Lounge.
We went to Studio Lounge.
We went to Studio Lounge on Friday.
Give us some grace.
Enjoyed some really good food. The vibes were nice. Very nice. Video coming soon from Ciarni.
Super soon.
Yeah, video coming soon. It was a vibe.
It was
The
nice.
food was good. I've been getting into trying things lately, and we tried a lot of stuff. Spinach artichoke dip. That was my first time having
Jerk chicken
that.
egg rolls.
Yep. Jerk chicken egg
Pasta
rolls.
with salmon and chicken. Pasta with chicken. And then Nija had the steak.
Yep, a ribeye with some mashed potatoes. I had Brussels sprouts. I don't think Brussels sprouts are for me. I tried them again yesterday. My dad took me out to Longhorn and he had some, and they're just too greeny. Like, I don't know, but you know what? I'm gonna force myself
It's
to eat
probably
them
because I don't eat Brussels sprouts.
You
like,
probably gotta
super
make 'em
healthy.
yourself.
I literally like I saute them in like honey and butter. And
See,
like
that's
really,
how
I really
everybody,
char them.
all
like,
of the ones that I've
absolutely
been
burn them up in the
tasting,
pan. Yeah.
they make them with a sweet. But I'm
You have
feeling
to have,
like
like,
I
a nice
gotta do
char taste on it.
a salty. Like,
Yeah.
Not the ones from Red Lobster.
I'm allergic to seafood, babe, so I don't go to Red Lobster.
Oh, okay.
So I've never even set foot in Red Lobster. I don't even know what it looks like in there. I've never even pulled in the parking lot.
It's so crazy. I actually just get the chicken pasta. at
Never
Red
even
Lobster.
pulled in the parking lot.
I've
It's
never
crazy.
been. I literally never been. I drove by and I
It's so
see
good.
it.
Well, we only have one
But
left, so
you know, I know
we only have one left.
I know.
They have the best
my
Brussels sprouts.
what you call it? My allergy might be up like as I forgot the word. Less sensitive.
Okay.
To the point where I might be able to go there now.
Yeah.
You know, because as I've gotten older, it has become a little less sensitive. But
That's good.
I haven't tried yet.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Maybe in the future,
Okay.
one day we can try it. I'll just make sure I have my EpiPen
Yeah.
and some Benadryl in my purse. You know,
I'm sure
So
they have a
be
bunch of people
prepared.
going to Red Lobster that are literally allergic to seafood.
Yeah.
I mean,
I'm
maybe,
pretty sure
but
they do.
my allergy
risking it.
used to be so severe I couldn't even be around the smell.
Yeah, okay.
Like the smell and the aroma would like literally have me like break out in hives, throat closing up, itching, eyes watering. Like I remember this one time I was at the beach and they was frying fish, and I literally had an attack. Like at the beach outside,
Oh
we
my
weren't even
God.
in an enclosed space. So. But now that was years ago when I was a kid. I'm a lot older now, so I have noticed like being around it doesn't bother me as much, half as much. So maybe I could give it a try.
Yeah.
You know, so I will let you
Yeah,
know about that, and
absolutely.
we can set up a Red Lobster date.
Yeah.
I
And you're
did.
happy
I
to
did
join
go
if
get
you
my
want, yeah.
first. Yes,
I like Red
yes.
Lobster.
Red Lobster.
I love Red Lobster.
I did
What's
have
in
my
the feast?
first bag,
Yeah.
non-seafood boil bag. I just got sausage. I had sausage, corn, potatoes, and eggs.
So would you just call that food boil?
Yeah, a food boil.
A food
A food
boil.
boil bag.
It's
That's
really
what I
just the
had.
flavor on it. Isn't
Yeah,
it? Like the
yeah,
butter
and
with
I
the
forgot
Old
where
Bay.
it was at. It was out in Henrietta.
Okay.
I don't know which one that one is called.
Juicy Seafood? No, Seafood Harbor?
No,
Oh.
Seafood Harbor is, but I don't know if that's still
I
there.
wonder.
it's the one with the good lemon drops.
Juicy Crab?
Maybe Juicy Crab. That sounds from. Yeah, the one.
I'm
with the
saying it
good
like I
lemon
know
garlic.
them.
Cause
I've only been
my
once.
friend loves
I've only
them.
been once.
My best friend, she loves going to get a good seafood bag, and I'm like,
my nephew.
I can never join, but I'm about to go. And I told him, I was like, I have a seafood allergy, so just make sure you make my bag with no seafood. And she was like, okay.
Yeah, don't worry about
I
it.
got a little rice on the side, and
Okay.
it was great.
Mm.
It was good.
That's good.
It was good. Yep. Yeah.
Okay.
So, all right, guys, thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next week. Bye.
Again, people. This is another episode of Girls in the Body. Shout out to the ladies for doing a beautiful job today. And they brought in, like I said, they kicked me out my seat and said,
I was like, my
"Man, the
first
month
podcast
today
ever."
is our special
Okay,
guest.
you did good.
G Sweet. G Sweet in the building. You don't know you can find him on Instagram and all of that. And he said he got a big project working on. He gonna drop soon and let us know. But right now, people, this is one of his beats he produced. And we gonna rock out with it and we get into the other stuff. Thanks everybody tuning in. Like, subscribe, share. See you guys again next Sunday. And now we're going into this side of the Sunday part of the juggling. Something like that. If you like the vibe, subscribe. If you like the vibe, subscribe. If you like the vibe, subscribe. Alright. If you like the vibe, subscribe. Alright, what's up?
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Fine light in the beautiful sea. I chose to be happy. You and I, we're like diamonds in the sky. You're a shooting star, I see. A vision of ecstasy. When you hold me,
Nobody is not
I'm
fucking with G
alive.
Sweet though.
We're like diamonds
And
in
if
the
y'all wanna get in the
sky.
studio, nigga, y'all definitely not touching him with the mic. Y'all niggas fucking crazy out here. G Sweet don't let these niggas know. Man, hold on.
G Sweet.
At first sight, I felt energy of serenity. I saw the life inside shine bright. Tonight, you and I, we're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Eye to eye, so alive. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright, shine bright, shine bright, shine bright. Work, 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 work. You see me heavy work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. There's something for that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. I'm in the cafe, man, da, 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 da. Drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my vision. You took my heart, all my sleep, a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had. Something that you
We're there every Sunday, people, 2 p.m. on Tuesday.
And if y'all wanna get in the stew, nigga, y'all definitely not touching him with the mic.
just get ready for work, 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 work. You see me happy work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. There's something for that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, da, 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. trying, baby. I feel wah. It's me, I feel wah.
Everybody in the chat, you don't know it's Sunday after vibes got something like this. Una ready,
When you walk a la, when you get from ta.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done.
Come on, rude boy, can you get it up? Come on, rude boy, you should big enough. Take it,
ladies.
Come on, rude boy, can you get it up? Come on, rude boy, you should big enough. Take it, baby. Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, babe. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you take me higher. Tonight, baby, we could get it on, yeah. We could get it on, yeah. Do you like it, boy? I want what you want. Give it to me, baby, like boom. What I want is what you want. Nah. So much I love. Come here, rude boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, you should big enough. Yeah, baby. Most everything you do make me want to smile, and I like you for a while.
But you won't let me. You upset me, girl, and then you kiss my lips. All of a sudden I forget that I was upset. Can't remember what you did. But I hate it.
You know exactly what to do, so that I can't stay mad at you for too long. That's wrong.
But I hate it. You know exactly how to touch, so that I don't wanna fuss and fight no more. Said I despise, yet I adore you.
I hate how much I love you. I can't stand how much I need you.
I need you.
with mine, 'cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side.
Every Sunday,
Feel and believe that we in bed.
every Friday, Live Vibes TV, we
I
here.
don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the
We just starting out people, but we going somewhere.
right. I tell you what it's all about. 'Cause you're making me feel this way. It's kinda like, it's not that I don't want you.
We're not play right now. Smooth juggling
It's something about the way
on a
you
Sunday.
say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. No. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. 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 Next to you, I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you
I never thought I'd see the day that you my old girl. Now I'm stuck here hollering at old girl. Got one, got two, three, four, girl. Shotgun in a drop, made a right. Hut one, hut two. Told him, take a hike, then it's on to the next, on to the next one. Hard to move on when you always regret one.
I wonder sometimes, I wonder if I was wrong. Trying to do right by you got me here. Now all I am is alone. 'Cause her eyes and I don't compare. Oh, yeah. And I rest, all they do is distract me, but now
I again, everybody, thanks for tuning in to Get It to the Bodies. We here every Sunday, 2 p.m. Shout out to Jenny, shout out to Niger, shout out to Siani. And again, our man of the month, G Sweet. Just catch me every Sunday, every Friday night too. Shout out to the Live Vice from Vice Friday family, right?
Being friends, killing me softly. Your voice in, wonder where I went wrong. It was my fault. In the wrong time, I wonder so off.
When you're ready, watch it.
Goes high, and I don't compare at all.
Watch it, watch it.
All they do is distract me from now. Deep down, when I face it, it's been a minute since we last kicked. By the way, just got in town. That I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky.
Look, we're going smooth and deadly right here now.
Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder,
Lady,
I wonder,
ladies, in the ready? Watch the switch.
Put your sweats on for me. I got the plug, I made the coffee green. Talking late night,
ladies, you see when I catch you out at the bar tonight? The conversation goes something like this. Ready?
watching you dance, invitation to getting in pants. Yourself, baby, so I can touch one question. Am I moving too fast? But I ain't leaving alone. Feel like I could be on this way. We both know that we're grown. That's why I wanna know how many drinks would it take you to be with me? Yeah, you look good and I got money, but I don't wanna waste my time. Back of my mind, I'm hoping you say 2 or 3. You look good, we can party, but I don't wanna waste my time. Temptation is calling your name, sweet persuasion. Baby, this is a game.
I just wanna get your attention.
Like what you will. Impression is what I'm making you feel. But I ain't leaving alone. I feel like I could be honest, babe. We both know that we're grown. That's why I wanna know how many drinks would it take you to be with me? Yeah, you look good and I got money, but I don't wanna waste my time.
Cause what I got, you gon' wanna get some. Yeah. But girl, that's only if you ain't scared. Baby, I won't knock, won't ring no bell. You just put that bottom up in the air. I'll get you hot, I know you want so well. And when I'm walking, all that I wanna have is you say, Daddy's home, home for me. And I know you've been waiting for this loving all day. You know your daddy's home, and it's time to play. So you ain't got to give my love away. So all my ladies say, hey, 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 daddy. So all my ladies say, hey, hey, daddy. I done been around the world, I done kissed a lot of girls, so I'm guessing that it's true. Let me holler and I bet $1 million. Don't nobody kiss it like you. Don't nobody kiss it like you. Don't nobody kiss it like you. Bang, bang, bang. Don't nobody kiss it like you. Don't nobody kiss it like you. It's 5 in the morning, Kush is rolling while she making steak and eggs. Yeah. Da-da-da-dum-dum. At 5 in the morning, we can only be about to do one thing. What? Da-da-da-dum-dum. See, I told her the devil is a lie.
Them other girls can't compete with mine. You do it so good, you fuck my mind. You pull it out, then you open wide. You make me want to tap out every time. That pretty lips leave is so inspired. I think that she a winner. She could be a keeper, cause she's such a good kisser. Got lipstick on my lip. Oh, baby. She's such a good kisser. I'ma rain on this parade. Oh, baby. Yes, let me say something. I done been around.
You know how we do. I'm the kind of brother who been doing it my way, getting my way for years. In my career, and every lover, young, in and out my life, I hear love and left in tears, without a care. Until I met this girl who turned the tables around. She caught me by surprise, and I never thought I'd be the one breaking down. I can't figure it out why I'm so caught up. Got me feeling it, caught up. I don't know what it is, but it seems she's twisted instead. I'm so caught up. Got me feeling it, caught up. I'm losing control. This girl's got a hold on me, yeah. Oh, now let me go, baby. Now listen, mama told me, what could you do? 'Cause karma comes back around. Same old song, no, but I was so sure it wouldn't happen to me, 'cause I know how to be down. But I was so wrong. This girl with me, she really I'm so tired, looking for a
Sensational, yeah. What didn't I do for you, girl? And I know, and I know, and I know. I act the fool for you. Love like a riddle, yeah. Give me the clues of the riddle. Oh, wow, laugh just a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, can be bitchy. Tell me love her till the morning, nah, nah, nah. Love her till the nighttime, nah, nah, nah. I don't get nobody, I don't get nobody, yeah. If you give me body, I won't tell nobody, yeah. Cali girl, she wears clothes. Now she want me pool skirt, so me pool skirt. Cali girl, she wears schools. You say it's obvious, it's obvious. Sensational, yeah. What didn't I do for you, girl? And I know, and I know, and I know. I act the fool for you. Love like a riddle, yeah. Give me the clues of the riddle. Oh, wow, laugh just a little, yeah. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet, pretty sweet.
Come rewind up. Girl, I get the money if you make your mind up. If you love me, every night you make you mad up. Not only you give me love, but make me nice up, nice up, nice up. I feel make you mine up. Girl, I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon'